As an Indian American expat, I file my American taxes returns every year and pay taxes on the income that I earn in America and claim credits for my global taxes that I pay elsewhere. And I do not pay taxes to a specific state because I'm not residing in a state in America. Hence, I was surprised to receive a notice from North Carolina, where I used to live way back. And this notice was for about $3,600, asking me to pay backdated taxes and penalties for the year 2018, when I was not even a resident. Turns out the computers from North Carolina's DOR have taken the tax filings from the US federal returns and done their own calculations without any checks and balances and then sent out a notice. I'm going to dispute it, but it just goes to show how the Department of Revenue is trying to use AI, artificial intelligence, and data integration, data mashup without really adding the human checks and balances that are essential. I still maintain a PO box in the US. And I was recently surprised to receive this mail in my PO box, dated 20th of March. And it was from NCDOR, Department of Revenue of North Carolina. And the letter itself was a bit surprising. It was a tax assessment for the year 2018, and it was dated March 20th. And it pulled up federal gross adjusted income, incorrectly, of course, and then totaled it up and said, I owe a payment of taxes along with a substantial penalty, totaling to about $3,600. Of course, this was a bit of a surprise to me because I've not been living in North Carolina. So as a resident of a state, I might have owed taxes, but since I'm no longer resident there, I do not owe taxes there. So hence I researched objection and request for departmental revenue. And this lays out my case and my objection to their claim for back tax that they are claiming from me. And hopefully my explanation will be sufficient and they will close the chapter. If not, I will continue my appeal. And I certainly don't owe this tax to the state. All this just goes to show how deep and how wide the tax systems are, and the use of advanced analytics and artificial intelligence to kind of match or mismatch the tax filings, the state versus the federal, and how they're kind of laying out the net pretty wide and deep, trying to catch tax evaders. But in the process, they're missing out this human review. And this human review is absolutely essential for the accuracy. Otherwise, people will lose faith in the system.